Hi, this is Shawn Kumar Bachu, and I started a channel, Kumar Tech Worlds, to develop knowledge about different business analytical tools and languages. Firstly, I want to teach about the Power BI tool. Today, I explore basic overview of Power BI or introduction of Power BI. Power BI is a collection of softwares or tools provided by Microsoft Corporation for performing various business activities. It is also called as self-service software, business intelligence software, data visualization software, or data intelligence software, cloud-based reporting service. In market, there are so many business intelligence softwares are there. Among most of them, Power BI is widely used in companies and also Tableau and also ClickView. These three tools are widely used in companies to develop business intelligence and boost their business activities. Power BI is usually developed by Microsoft, Tableau by Salesforce, and ClickView by ClickView. And market Power BI softwares are basically categorized into two types. One is traditional and one is self-service. Traditional is quite complex. We need to learn some technical aspects like we need to have some knowledge about SQL and how to develop the queries and all. Whereas in self-service, it is like user-friendly where we don't need any queries to develop and we need less knowledge to deploy or publish the report. Why this Power BI is called as cloud-based reporting service? Because cloud-based is a term used to describe various resources or applications or services available to users on demand to develop and in the reports or business insights by using an internet. It is usually run by a server and we can develop reports or dashboards anywhere in the world and we can share the reports and dashboards anywhere in the world. On-premise Power BI is nothing but self-service Power BI where we can install and develop the reports within the network. Like we can install or develop report within the laptop or within the network. We can use this on-premise software. Why the Power BI is called data visualization software? Basically, we use graphical tools, graphical representation like maps and charts for business insights to report business insights in Power BI. So Power BI is called as data visualization software. And Power BI is also called as data analytical software. Why? Because we get large volumes of data from business and these data is converted into reports and dashboards for easy representation of insights, reports, dashboards to the client. So Power BI is called also called as data analytical software, and the other one is why it is called as business intelligence activities. Why means the business data, which is irregular or dirty data, come from clients, and these data is converted into business insights and reports to the end user like clients. So it is called as business intelligence activities. Now I want to discuss ab- about this business intelligence architecture, how it will be like. See, first, business data come from clients is in the form of OLTP models, like online transactional processing model, by different sources like Excel, X, SQL Server, Oracle, in the form of test. Different sources will get this data to create reports or visuals and insights in Power BI. The data is must be in the form of OLAP. It is nothing but online analytical process model. So we use an software called ETL, extract, transfer, and load software to build OLAP model. By converting this OLAP model, we can easily create reports, visuals, and actual actionable information by using visuals like different visuals, and then we share clients these actionable informations or insights to the clients. This is how the business intelligence architecture. Then we have in Power BI, we have different softwares like Power BI desktop. This is an on-premise or self-service software. Power BI service. This is an cloud-based service which helps to share or publish reports or dashboards to clients anywhere in the world. We can create this. We can share the reports or anything anywhere in the world we can share by using Power BI service. And we have also Power BI mobile app, which is present available in Android or iOS, Apple, and also in Windows version, where we can see reports and dashboards in mobile itself by sending quite simple link to the clients. They can see reports and dashboards in mobile app itself. This is like uh, Power BI desktop process flow. It is an compromise or self-service software. In this, we have three different softwares. One is Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. I will discuss in deeply in Power. about these different tools, I need to like flow know to know about this for you flow. I represent this how this Power BI architecture like complete architecture will be. This is the complete architecture of Power BI from starting from client by starting client data, getting some different client data and different sources and sending reports or dashboards to the client. Firstly, we will get business data, which is in regular format in different sources like a Excel file, SQL server, Oracle, and we convert these extract, trans, convert or transfer and load the data by using an ETL activities by using a software called Power BI Query, which is also present in Power BI Desktop. These three softwares are present in Power BI Desktop itself, which is on self-service. You can install in your laptop and do these activities. Power Query basically used for extract, transfer, and load. In Power Query, we can extract data from different sources like Excel, test, SQL, Oracle, whichever data is in the format, we can extract the data by using Power Query, and we can transfer the data by using a graphical interface, GUI, graphical user interface. And in Power Query, there is a language called mashup language, M language. It is automatically generated, and you can modify that formula. But mostly in Power BI, it is an automatic. You need not to like learn that language by clicking different graphical user interface like options. It directly convert into the mashup language. By using this language, the Power Query automatically clean the data or transfer the data, and you can load the data into Power BI. Why? Because like this Power Query, this Power Query mostly used to develop a OLAP model or more data set, basically in tabular formula. Why? Because Power BI unable to create reports or visualizations without converting these into the data into OLAP or dataset model. So that Power Query is useful to convert this OLAP or dataset. This Power Pivot software is most important or heart of the Power BI. Why? Because to create an extra data, this Power Pivot is useful. For example, to create the measures, like for example, you need the total sales measure. So you can create measure in this Power Pivot, and you can give the relationship between different tables by using Power Pivot. This Powerpit is an in-memory database, columnar database. This usually the data is stored in different sources in raw format, but in Power the data is stored in columnar format. For example, if you have Shravan, for example, serial number 1, 10, any count like sales count, like amount 20. In Power Pivot, the data is stored in like this columnar format. Most of the sources at Excel, the data is stored in S1, S2, S3. S1 sale is like 10 and the amount is 20. Like this, the data is stored in columnar format in different sources. If it is stored in columnar format, the storage is changed. Like 1/10 of storage will be occupied in PowerPoint. So that you can analyze the data with large amount of values. Next one is Power BI. You can create different visuals to give actionable informations to the clients with the help of like different visuals. So you can create KPIs, you can create bar charts, maps, and so on to give the business insights to the clients. We have two different softwares like the on-premise and within the company we use to the Power BI report server, and outside like anywhere in the world we can share or publish the reports by using Power BI service. This is overall architecture of Power BI architecture, and this is for publishing reports or dashboards to the clients. Next is this is the Power BI life cycle, how the data is converted and shared to the clients. The data sources like Excel for SQL, Oracle, text are converted into actionable insights in Power BI desktop. And then we'll share the reports or dashboards by using report server or Power BI service to clients by this tools within like company or within network. We'll send these reports and dashboards to the clients by Power BI report server. If the reports or dashboards has to send by different locations in the world, we usually use Power BI service. Clients can see the reports and dashboards by mobile. We have mobile app also in Power BI in different versions, like in different services like software like Windows, Android, and iOS. This is all about Power BI introduction. Next section will discuss about how Power BI can install in local like laptop, that is Power BI desktop, and we'll start about Power Query, the basic introduction.